Hello, everyone. My name is Katie. This is Lorena. Say hi,
Hey,
Lorena.
I'm
How are you?
hi.
And that is Luis. He is a loan specialist from Bank of America. Yesterday, everyone was going crazy about the new Bank of America program. So we have the expert here with us that will be answering all our questions today. So if you want to start, Luis, by introducing yourself.
Yes, I'm Luis Sanson. My NMLS ID number 621721. We're here. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for the invitation, and I look forward to working with all your clients.
Great, great. So the thing about this, everyone kept asking me, is this real? So tell me, is
Yes,
it real?
yes, it's very real. So Bank of America is trying to open up the marketing and help everybody achieve their home ownership, and that's why Bank of America created this program to help more people achieve that goal and become homeowners.
Perfect, perfect. And we'll start with some of the basic questions that everyone's been asking, and that is, what do I need to do to qualify? What are the requirements in order to qualify for this loan program?
Basically, the program is pretty simple. It's going to be manual underwriting. It doesn't require any no minimal FICO score like most programs out there, and also we can do pretty much do 100% loan, which means that Bank of America is going to help every client with 10,000 in this market in Dallas, in the Dallas Metroplex, $10,000. And for the down payment, also we're going to cover some of the closing costs. I will say like 3/3 of the closing costs will be taken care of by Bank of America, which is great help. And that way, you can buy a property pretty much, assuming. But go ahead.
Perfect. So you're saying, Lorena, he was saying that there's no credit score.
Yes.
So what is,
phenomenal.
yeah, so how are you basing it off of?
Pretty much what we base it, since it's going to be manual underwriting, the underwriter will look at the last 12 months history. If you have credit, well, that's even better, more power to you. But let's say if you have a problems in the past and now you're trying to reestablish in the last 2 years to buy the house, we'll look at the last 12 months, how your credit profile looks. If you had any late, it's okay, even if it was before, not in the last 6 months, but prior in the last 12 months. If you have one, it's okay. You can write a letter explaining, hey, what happened. But pretty much it basically basic is we're looking at the last 12 months of your rental history. And if you don't have any credit, we can use your alternative credit, which is your utility bills, your water bill, electric bill, internet bill, even insurance bill. And of course, the rental history is very important to look at the last 12 months in good standing.
Last 12 months. Okay.
Okay. Now, I've had a few clients who live with family members and, with mom, dad, or sister. How can they prove the last 12 months of rental history?
If they're young and they live with we can put us at rent free. So we have to have some compensating factors, like especially like the alternative credit, or the credit has to have no late payment. So, but we can work with that also, as long as you have rent free. That is good. We'll take that in consideration too as well.
Yes, wow, that's
that's
really nice. That's
awesome.
awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you explain, like, like what exactly this program is offering out there for the people? I mean, this doesn't matter if it's a low or high credit, right? This is for everyone.
Everyone can apply it as long as the property is located in the census tract. There's some areas in the Dallas where it is based on the census tract, where you see most of the community are Hispanic or minorities, we can say, right? But it's basically anybody can apply it. It's not designated just for Hispanic or minorities. It's just that we try to expand ownership for everyone to that you have that. The problem with being a homeowner is saving for down payment. So Bank of America, okay, here we go. We help you with the 10,000 plus. We help you with the closing costs. So there's no that's gonna make everybody wants to be a homeowner. So we try to take that burden out of you, so that way we can help you with that and help you achieve that goal.
And that it's important that you said that this loan is for everybody, so not just minorities. Anyone can apply for this, correct?
Yes, that is true. Anybody, as long as we meet your income doesn't exceed 150% of the area median income, regardless of the census tract income designation.
Limit. So there is an income limit. You're saying it cannot be more than 50% of the median income in the area?
150%.
150. Okay. Okay, good.
Well, let's say
okay.
Dallas County, let's say it's 80,000. So it's 120. So if it is not designated for people who say, oh, because I don't make, if I make too much money, I may not be able to qualify. It doesn't matter. It's just basically with the property in the census tract location. If you make 120, you might be able to qualify too. You know, it all depends where the property is in the census tract location, pretty much.
Got it. So that's the main factor is where the property is located in the census tract. And if we call, and how do we know if the house qualify or not? They call us, right?
We yes. Well, you find the property, like I said, we have our website, our real estate center on my website or any Bank of America website. You can see the real estate center. You look at properties in whatever area you're looking. You'll see some properties have that pen with the bag of money. That means it might be eligible for the community affordable solution program, or it might be available for another home affordable program too that Bank of America is helping to as well with down payment and closing cost assistance.
Okay, so
what do they need to do in order to apply for this loan?
They can apply online through my link or my website. I think both of you have my website.
Yeah.
And just send them or I can send them the link. I can send an email to them. And so the requirements, basically, you have to obtain a certificate for first-time home buyer for the community affordable loan solution. And you have to make sure you get that a special program with the nonprofit like Habitat. What is it called?
Habitat for Humanity.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you can do that. There's several there are several agencies that can help you with that. You can take it online or by Zoom or in person.
Okay.
Or by phone. You can take those classes, but before you apply, you have to have that certificate that you already took that first-time home buyer class for this program.
Is it free or is there a charge?
No, it's most of those nonprofit agencies, they charge from $30 all the way to $100, depending on everybody's different. But I've seen $30, $35, $50, up to $100 per class.
And then to know which is the course, you can share that with us later. They can call us and we'll tell them what exactly the course they need to take.
Yeah, it has to. Yes, they have to specifically take this course, the Community Affordable Loan Solution, and there's a special. They know, but you gotta make sure you let them know. That way, you get the right course for this program, for this loan.
Okay, the other thing we talked about, go ahead.
One last thing, Luis, what makes this program different from the other one? Is this conventional?
Yes, also, yes, it is a conventional loan, not an FHA. There's nothing wrong with FHA, but it's a conventional loan. Also, no minimal credit, no minimal FICO. You gotta have three trade lines, traditional, non-traditional, no mortgage insurance. That's what makes this program so good. You know, no minimal FICO, no mortgage insurance, and very flexible, getting approved.
And the other thing too that's great about it is that you said they can go up to 50% debt to income ratio, correct?
That is correct. 50% is the maximum debt to income ratio.
Okay,
this is great.
That is awesome. And the last is buyers. Bank of America will cover closing costs, will cover down payment, but it will not cover prepaids. Can you tell me what that is so people know and about what they need for that?
Yes, the prepaids are pretty much the per diem, the interest, the charge, the per diem interest. The escrow account is the set up the new escrow account, 3 months of property taxes, 3 months of homeowners insurance, Also, we gotta collect 1 year of the homeowner's insurance. That's what we call the prepaids. Those are not covered by Bank of America. It is the client's responsibility to
So
bring
if
it at closing.
Can you give me an estimate of how much they would need at that point to be able to cover those prepaids?
Yes, I would say that's at least around 3,000 up to 5,000 at the most.
Okay.
So that's pretty low.
Yeah, and I think we've covered everything. All the questions. Is there anything you want to add before we wrap this up?
No, just hurry up and start applying.
Yeah, call us. We're gonna leave our information.
Yeah.
Lorena and Luis, who joined us today directly from Bank of America.
Now his office is.
If they need to talk to me directly, you can give them my number, my phone number, and they can call me. And if they have any questions regarding the program or they want to apply, I can send them the link where they need to apply online through
Perfect.
the
Yeah,
digital
we'll put
mortgage experience.
information on the video.
Yeah.
We'll put your information on video. Again, this is Lorena. I'm Katie. We're both with DFW Elite. And thank you, Luis, for joining us today and talking a little bit about this new program.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you for having me and have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Great weekend. Bye-bye.